Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's bloody awkward, shut up. I see your little head peer around the corner. Right, something's coming. But we are here with Callum and his vehicle. You can barely see him behind that. I got this new mic, look, you can talk.
Look at that, fancy.
But yeah, we are fitting a sub. That's a barn find sub. It's been sat in a shed for 3 years.
Yeah, it's about that.
So yeah, what Callum's now doing is pulling apart all the interior trims, probably breaking every single clip as we go along. He's doing that. I'm going to try and find a little rubber grommet. A little rubber grommet to go through up here. Fingers crossed. I hope you enjoy this. We're going to just dive into it. I'm going to do some time lapses and things, do some recording, what have you, and yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. I think I've found the grommet we are going through. I'll try and point an arrow to it, but you can see just up there, like right in the middle of the screen, that's the grommet we're going to try and go through. Ooh, for the power. Oh, that's fucking shit.
This shit's got to come off.
We can tuck it through here, look. So that can go through under them.
Access to it. So I can't swear.
It's alright, it's
You'll
past
be
the first. Demonetified.
Yeah.
Demonetised. No, because we can just go under the seat, can't we? And under here.
Yeah.
So, that plastic, you ain't gonna worry about that.
So I took that back bit off for no reason.
You did.
Sad times.
Okay. Show your strength.
Got no strength.
Now I know what it's like to be a YouTuber. I just film while everyone else does everything. If I could film as I'm filming down here.
Professionals.
Are we in?
We're in.
Look at that. All I had to do was hold a camera.
Amazing.
Film me doing some gay shit. That's when iDubbbz jumps off the side. It's like, I'm gay.
Well, that's just turned into a meme.
Oh, fuck's sake, this is what turns into memes. Oh, I just sent her a text that says, please text me. Hello. Good evening. Let's fucking try this again. Tip on tip. That'll be really, that'll be audio boosted in the old editing. I just like how you go silent. Like when you're behind the camera, you're like on mute.
Nah.
Right, we are taped. Hand me the device.
No.
Give it to me. I will film and you give it a good old tug. Give me a tuggin'. See if the hole's big enough. Does it give birth yet? Keep pulling.
Yeah, you want to get shot from here?
Nah, pull. Till we see some red. There it be. We are through. Carry on going. Keep going. Wait, slow down. Come back a bit. That'll do. Wait, where's your power on this? Ah, this side. Yeah. Perfect. Perfection. Right, so Callum is now running the wire to the rear. I'm just setting up the fuse, which is obviously going to go over here somewhere he wants to try and hide it away, so I'm going to splice this wire, get the fuse in there, try and hide it away, obviously not connect this until last, because that's the last thing you do whenever you're installing a sub. And we've just got to run the other wires and attach basically this to the back of the stereo. So this is like a phono to speakers device thing, so then it connects to like an original radio instead of being an aftermarket, because as you can see Callum has got just a normal radio in there, which is obviously what this connects to. So we'll get to doing that once the power cable is all ran. Oh, that is right view of your crack. I'm going to zoom right into that.
Just sweet. Sweet.
No. Right, so I'm over here. As you just saw, Callum was pulling out that side. He's bumming me at the minute. He's pulled out that side so we can run the phonos and the switch. I'm now going to pull out the radio and all of this stuff here. Hopefully this is a decent enough shot, so I'm going to crack on. Right, so anywho's, we got wires. Wires. We have right hand speaker and left hand speaker, which needs to go into the original loom of obviously the right hand speaker and the left hand speaker, which I know that the wires here, because we have done a little battery test, which is this thing here. You just basically test them by pressing the wires into the end and they make a little clicking noise, so that's how we find out left and right. I know that this one's my right hand, and I know the one below it is my left hand, which is this side. And I also know that the outside wire on the outside line is my plus, so that's my positive, and it's the same with the one below it. So all I've got to do is connect my positive and my minus. Is it minus? No, what do they call it?
Negative.
Negative, that's the one. My positive and my negative to the corresponding wires, which is what I'm now going to do, and then this middle one is just a ground, which I'll find in the loom back here somewhere. I'll do that after I connect the speakers up. Right, anywho's, I'm going to trim this clip down and I'm going to solder these in, get all these soldered in. Obviously you know where they're going. Saves this clip being 4,000 years long, but that is the basics of that little bit right there. Jobbed, all neat. Yes, I did nick that saying from Mark. While Callum is now running the... Yeah, chupapi. He's now running the RCAs and the remote wire down that side, the opposite side to what we run the power down. We're almost there. It's just literally putting things back together. All the cables are run. It's just literally finishing touches, plugging all these in. Obviously there you go to that.
Nice.
Making it look nice. And yeah, Callum's already chose his spot in the boot, so it's just literally plug these in, plug the radio back in, get all the panels back together. Oh, and find a fuse for that blue wire that you've got in your fucking fingy tips right there. Right, so Callum is currently getting this side back together. You can see him in the background there, peering through. I'm going to rip the boot apart because I feel like it, and we need to find a ground for the sub. So we need to find out where we're going to put this. Other than that, this side, no, this side's still got to go back together. Callum's still in the process of doing that side, so you've just seen the fuse is all obviously done that side, so oh indeed. Yeah, it's just basically putting the two side trims back together, and then I'm now going to pull apart the boot to do this. So let's crack on. Recording. Clean. Nice ground.
Did I tell you to fucking go down?
Yeah. Telescopic and shit.
Oh.
Or in the jeb end. Ground is all attached. We've got the power, we've got the RCAs, whatever they're called, phonos, and we've also got the blue wire which is switched, which is fucking milky buttons. Callum is now just on putting all this plastic back together. Plastic. I'm going to use that as the thumbnail.
German.
And yeah, then the rear seats, obviously all this plastic going back together, and yeah, boot back together, sub all wide in, and then it's just power at the front. So blinded by the light.
This is how you cut your fingers off. Didn't you want your fucking zip-zap?
No, because I don't cut through these.
Does it?
No, that's why I have to do it this way.
The old-fashioned way.
Yeet! Already got some boom boom from it. That's your speakers, isn't it, that do that noise? You need to play something that's not copyright, by the way.
Oh, how do I do that?
Try start the car. Oh, hello.
Oh.
Almost lost it, fucking hell, mate. Right,
as you can see, his sub is now done. I'm gonna end this video here while he's playing some non-copyrighted stuffs. Don't know what it is.
Copyright shit.
But I ain't gonna get demonetized for it, so we're all good. I'm gonna end it here. Make sure to leave a like, and it's awkward with you behind the camera. Shut up. Right, I'm gonna leave it here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.